My name is Johan Åberg, and I'm an indigo dyer, a mender, and the founder of Dye for Indigo in Majorna, Gothenburg. I have been working within the fashion industry pretty much my whole life. At one point, I had enough of poor quality and fast fashion. My interest in vintage and denim clothing led me into wanting to explore the fabrics on a deeper level. That's when I found the indigo molecule. The blue color of indigo became my new obsession, and I wanted to learn everything about it. The more I dug, the more fascinating it became. It's one of the oldest pigments. It's been around for at least 7,000 years. It has been grown and used all over the world. It's been used for such different things as fabric dyeing, medicinal use, and soil improver for farmers. It's a universal practice. I got this space, turned it into my own blue universe, surrounded by textiles from all over the world and objects related to the indigo craft. So I started to host workshops in indigo dyeing and shibori, and later also mending with sashiko. I don't want to preach. I want to encourage and inspire people to remake, reuse, and rethink their relationship with fashion. In our fast-moving technical and digital society, I think it's vital not to lose our connection of working with our hands and doing it together, as the Japanese was mending their boros during the harsh winters in north of Japan.